Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make stock octane. First, let's understand what octane is. It's a measure of a fuel's ability to resist knocking or pre-ignition, which is when fuel ignites before the spark plug fires. This premature combustion can damage your engine. Using the correct octane, fuel helps your engine run smoothly and efficiently, especially for vehicles designed with higher compression ratios that require greater knock resistance. There are several ways to increase your fuel's octane rating. One common method is using commercial octane booster additives, which you can find at most auto parts stores. Another effective approach involves blending your existing fuel with higher octane components, such as ethanol. For instance, adding 10% ethanol to 93-octane gasoline can raise its rating by a few points. Specific chemical compounds like toluene or xylene are also known to significantly boost octane. Many substances can act as octane boosters. Ethanol is a very popular additive, frequently blended into gasoline at concentrations of up to 10%. Other effective compounds include toluene and xylene, which are aromatic hydrocarbons often found in commercial booster formulas. Methylcyclopentadienyl manganese tricarbonyl, or MMT, is another additive that can increase octane by 2 to 3 points with very small doses, helping to prevent engine knock and improve combustion efficiency. While boosting octane can be beneficial, it's crucial to follow safe practices. Always adhere to the manufacturer's instructions for any octane booster product. Using too much of an additive can lead to issues like clogged fuel filters, damaged oxygen sensors, or even harm to catalytic converters. Remember, higher octane fuel is only beneficial if your engine is designed to take advantage of it. Otherwise, you might not see any performance gains and could risk engine damage.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.